How to fix SIM card showing no service on your Android device. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. So if you want to fix your SIM card showing no service on your Android device, just like mine, if I scroll down over here, as you can see up here it says emergency calls only, meaning there is no service. Literally all you have to do is simple. In most cases, come to your settings option here. When you come to settings, you can come and search for SIM management. Okay, so you search for SIM. When you search for SIM, it will bring SIM management over there. And then what you have to do is simple. Make sure you turn on all the SIM cards, both of them, like that. And then after turning them on, come here and then turn on airplane mode. So you turn on airplane mode for a few seconds. As you can see, it's showing airplane mode. And then turn it off. So when you turn it off, you just see your SIM cards will be showing very well and the service will be restored. Okay, so that's it guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. Until next time, we shall meet.